Hey girl, hey boy, it's Rally Girl. And before I say anything else, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so humbled and so grateful for all of you who have already picked up your copy of The Good Hair Day, my DIY organic natural hair recipes. Let me tell you, I am really surprised at how much support that I've received over the last few weeks since the book launched. And I'm so grateful for you. I have to say that if you already purchased the book, when you purchase the book at the introductory price of $9.97, you are automatically on that VIP list where you are going to receive other things. I am working on other things to make your life simple with this natural hair thing, to remove overwhelm, to remove frustration, to just bring in and encourage the fun and the versatility of caring for your hair and wearing your hairstyles. So I'm working on other things. So what that means for people who are on the VIP list, you are not only going to receive free offers, but you're going to receive deep discounted offers as well. And by deep discount, I mean you are going to receive 50, 75%, maybe 90% off of the introductory offer that I'm going to roll out to the general public. Okay. Nobody else is getting this. Only the people who came in with me from the beginning, my ride or dies, i.e. my VIP. Okay. So if you haven't already picked this up, go ahead and pick up your copy of Good Hair Day at the introductory price. It is for a limited time. The price will be going up. So get in on that. And the link is in the description. And then I also have a quick article on my iamrallygirl.com. You can click out and link there and pick it up. Yeah, and let me just tell you, you guys know me. You know I don't play when it comes to keeping things simple, easy, low maintenance. I'm always figuring a way out. As in out of doing the most, as in a way out, it as navigating around what people like to consider hard to deal with, hard to manage. It is not true. And I have evidence of it. I have experienced it. And so I am sharing it with everybody. This Good Hair Day ebook, if you haven't gotten it already, what I do is I remove the guesswork out of the ingredients that you put in your products. It's fun to create your own products. It's less expensive than buying over the counter. Now, granted, I say over the counter, but commercial products. Now, granted, you can include that. You can continue to have your regimen, but what I'm doing here is giving you the opportunity to make some things for yourself that will optimize the health of your hair and allow you to know what exactly you're putting in it. And then if you want to keep it simple, you can. There's recipes for that. And you're on the go. You want to have a spa day for your hair, you can. There's recipes for that. And each recipe, you get the benefit of each recipe, as well as what are the benefits for the skin, because some of them do benefit the skin, and as well as how to use them, how to mix them up, and what they're good for. Okay, so that was a mouthful, but the link is in the description to learn more. And again, $9.97 is the introductory offer, and that will be changing soon. In the meantime, back to what I was here for. My hair. I am wearing this beautiful fall. You guys have seen the review of it. It is from fingercomber.com. It is the Habesha Bob. I call it fall. Some people call it half wig and all that. I like fall because that's throwback 70s. And I am just protecting my hair right now. There's 8 twists up underneath, and I put this on, and it's really been holding up all these years. I think I've had it 2 years, maybe 3. Anyway, I washed my hair. I did a detox. I detoxed it with the clay mask. And I also, this week, I'm going to do a henna mask, and I might follow up with a hot oil treatment. And I am setting myself up to either do an install or wash and go. Now, the wash and go came later. I'm not sure which way I want to go. The install is going to be quick, simple, and easy. You know I don't play games. And of course, I'm going to share it with you guys here on the channel. I do have one, it's my lifestyle method. I'm going to do a variation of that. Okay. But again, I will come back and share it with you. That's all that's going on with my hair right now. I am trying to break out of covering it so much, you know, with everything that's been going on. I'm trying to ease out of that a little bit. Okay, guys, until the next video, live simply, be kind, and thanks again. Oh, wait, I have to do this for my, I have to do all of this for my, anyway, let me get off of here. I had to do that for my thumbnail. I will talk to you guys later. I love you.